Would you like to make some extra cash before Christmas? You know, it's easier than you might think. You see, Amazon are online and doing it every day 24/7, so why can't you? Or maybe you don't know what to sell, or you don't know the process to sell products online, or what to charge for your products, or how to promote them. If that's you, then don't worry. You see, that's why I created the Cash Boost Workshop, to help you set up, promote and sell products online to create some extra cash for you this Christmas. And if you can't think of anything right now, don't worry, we have a long list of what's worked for others just like you. I've broken down the whole process into 3 easy steps that you could complete in just a few hours. Step 1 is assets, what you can sell, how to talk about it and what to charge. Step 2 is setting up your online store on your website and the simple process to sell. And step 3 is sales, where the money comes in. I'll show you how to talk about your new online shop on social media and to your past guests, so that you too can start getting orders quickly and creating that much needed cash boost this Christmas. When you hop into the Cash Boost Workshop online course, I'll take you step by step through the simple process of selling products online with examples to copy and templates to follow. Products you love and believe in that could generate the extra cash that you need right now. And once you learn this valuable skill, you'll be well equipped for anything that comes along in the future. The Cash Boost Workshop online course is usually on sale for $497. But for just 48 hours, you can click on the link below to jump in now while we're running our flash sale for just $97. Click on the link below, complete your purchase, you'll get instant access, and I will see you there on the inside.